Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome to Magical Droplets. I am Chital Shah. I am a tarot and oracle card reader, Akashic Records reader, and energy healer. I do distance energy healing work, so you can contact me if you have any requirements. So today's pick a card reading is to receive guidance for the month of July 2021. So that is the remaining part of the month. So for today's pick a card reading, I'll be doing live shuffling of tarot cards and will be providing you guidance through it. And for today's pick a card, select between these two angels and make a choice. Pause the video if you would like to. This is going to be pile number 1 and this is going to be pile number 2. So pause the video if you would like to, and then let's proceed with the reading. All those who have selected this beautiful pile, beautiful cute little angel, let's proceed with your reading. So I'm going to do this reading for the remaining month of July 2021 with the help of tarot cards, and I am doing live shuffling right now. So let's see what the remaining month of July 2021 has in store for you. So the first card that we have for you is Page of Wands. So I feel that a new opportunity would be coming your way. Pile number 1. The next card is King of Cups. Maybe if you are looking out for a relationship, a man who is very mature and emotionally connected to his own self would come in your way. I also see that some of you would be buying new clothes in the month of July 2021, and something that is really close to your heart and something that is really well. Then next we have the Empress card. Again, this card confirms that majority of you who are watching this pile would be buying new set of clothes for themselves, and they would try to look pretty and precious and well appreciated even if they are at home or even if they are traveling. You see there is 3 different atmospheres environment over here: the mountains, the sea, and the forest and nature. So I feel that some of you would go to a place for a vacation near a mountain, sea, or forest and just relax yourself, not indulge in any activities, but just relax yourself over there. The next card we have is Eight of Wands. Definitely travel is on the cards, and you guys would be traveling luxuriously in the remaining part of the month. The next two cards we have is the Five of Wands and the Lovers. It could be a romantic getaway or it would be with friends. However, if you are traveling with friends, I would advise you all to please restrict your communications and interactions and do not fight over petty things with your friends. Some of you who are looking out for life partners, definitely there could be an opportunity. I don't know if you would take it in the right stride or no, but there would be a proposal or a man or a woman coming into your life in the coming 10 days. However, travel is surely there. A lot of fire energy is also there. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius people would be few people with whom you would be interacting. Also, this trip is going to fulfill you emotionally and would help you relieve all the stress and tension that you have been holding on to. There could be more intimacy involved if you are already in a relationship, and don't fight over petty things is the guidance that I am receiving. Let's see the last two cards we have for you: the Nine of Cups and the Queen of Swords. Yes, definitely this trip is going to be very favorable for you. The remaining days of the month July 2021 would be making you very happy and fulfilled and content. However, be careful with words, be careful with interaction with people around you. With the Queen of Swords card over here, please don't try to put your authority over everyone, because it would not be for your highest good, and sometimes you might even lose your loved ones because of your harsh words. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like and share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that I upload. Thank you who have selected this beautiful little angel. Let's begin with your reading. Sorry, I hit the camera. So I'll be doing live shuffling right now, and let's see what the angels have in store for you for the remaining month of July 2021. So this reading is based only on tarot cards that I'll be removing. I am a tarot and oracle card reader and distance energy healer, access consciousness practitioner. I do access bars, facelift, and some body processes. And you can contact me if you have any requirements. So let's see the cards that we have for you. Pile number 2. Please don't forget to like and share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that I upload. I will be trying and uploading new videos each day from Monday to Friday up to August 15, 2021. So please stay tuned and please subscribe and click the bell icon for the same. So the first card we have for you, pile number 2, is 5 of Swords. I feel that either you are cheating someone or someone is trying to cheat over you. So you need to be very careful and open your eyes. However, there is a victory involved, so you will be well warned about a person who is trying to cheat you or who is trying to fool you. Pile number 2. Also, if you have given some exams and are looking forward for the results, the result is going to be positive and it is a yes. You will receive affirmative results even for visas or approval for stays or anything, approval for travel. Definitely it is going to be a yes. The next card is the Chariot card. So I see with the 6 of Wands and the Chariot card that many of you would be traveling. However, be cautious about your bookings and make sure to do your bookings from a reputed site or with a reputed person, because maybe you will get cheated. There are high chances of cheating being involved in your transaction, so be careful. Also, travel is going to be there. You are going to travel to for a holiday and there would be 2 choices involved, so choose carefully. The next card is we have is nine of Wands. Again, with this 9 of Wands card, I feel that you need to be really cautious while traveling. The next card we have is 2 of Pentacles. With the 2 of Pentacles and the Chariot card, I definitely feel that there would be 2 choices between you in which you would be involved, and both of those choices would be really close to your heart, and if there are 2 people involved, you will be really pressed between them and would not know what to choose. So choose something that is close to your heart. If some of you who are worshipping Lord Shiva, you can ask for his help and assistance. Others may ask for Archangel Michael's help and assistance to help you with the choice. We have the reversed Hangman over here, so I feel that the choice is going to be a really difficult one, and please keep your guards up, because we have the reversed Hangman, the 5 of Swords, 9 of Wands, and Chariot and 2 of Pentacles. So I feel a really difficult situation and a difficult choice to make. Do your research, do your hard work, do all the necessary examinations before making that choice. The next card we have for you, pile number 2, is Queen of Pentacles. I feel this choice for some of you would be regards to some monetary issues, a trip, or maybe with regards to your mother's health or something. So please pay attention to it and make the choice wisely. We have the High Priestess card. Again, there are two really beautiful older women who have lots of knowledge, wisdom coming up. So definitely something related to your mother would be happening in the later part of the month. So please pay attention and get the necessary help and assistance. The next card we have, these are the final cards, the Emperor and the Five of Pentacles. So again, I feel make the choice wisely. Moving away from a difficult situation is definitely on the cards. So you can take the help of a very wise man who is around you. With the Chariot and the Emperor, you can take the help of a wise old man. He may or may not be old. That soul may be a male or a female, but definitely a very wise soul who has lots of experience and have experienced tremendous things in this lifetime. So you can take their help and assistance to help you decide and make the choice that you are in right now, which will help you move out of a difficult situation and move towards peace. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that I upload. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.